In this video, we are going to discuss two more pins of 8085 microprocessor, that is reset in and reset out. Actually, these two pins are reset pins. One is for resetting microprocessor and another is for resetting peripherals connected to microprocessor. So, coming to reset in, this is generally used to reset the microprocessor itself. So, if reset in, if you observe, this is having a bar. So, that means this is a active low pin. Whenever we got 0 here, then microprocessor is going to reset. So, this is active low signal or active low pin, and whenever 0 is there at its input, then the microprocessor will reset. It will if 0 in this pin will shows you microprocessor is going to reset. When microprocessor is reset, then all the resistors of that microprocessor are going to reset along with program counter. Program counter is also one type of resistor that will holds the address of next instruction that is going to fetch. So, here when microprocessor is reset, then all the resistors including program counter is going to reset. Then the program counter then it will shows 0000H. Then definitely this microprocessor is going to fetch the next address as 000H. So, microprocessor will fetch its next instruction from 000H, because after power off or reset, the program counter is going to set its value as 000H. When power on is there, definitely this program counter value is 000H, means the microprocessor is going to fetch that address. So, finally, all the buses are in a high impedance mode. When reset is there, when reset of microprocessor is done, then all the buses in that are in tri-state or high impedance mode, which will take less power. If buses are not working, definitely circuitry is not working, means power consumption is less. So, here coming to reset out, this is a active high pin, that means 1 in that will enables that. So, this reset out will indicates reset of peripherals connected to that microprocessor. For example, take this diagram. So, this is our 8085 microprocessor, and from here we are having a reset out pin connection and clock connection. So, all peripherals which are connected to this 8085 microprocessor are connected to reset out pin. So, this is a active high pin. Whenever reset out is equivalent to 1, definitely all the peripherals are going to reset. All the peripherals, all the monitors, all the displays are going to reset. So, see here, if this is equal to 1, peripherals connected to microprocessor are going to reset, that monitors or displays are going to reset, then all the peripherals are connected to reset out along with the clock pulse. So, here we are having some synchronizing clock here. With that clock pulse, with reset out pin, we are going to connect all the peripherals. So, this is about your reset in and reset out pins in 8085 microprocessor. These are very important. So, only thing, after reset in is equal to 0, the program counter value is equivalent to 000H. This is very important point. And when reset in is equivalent to activated, reset in when it will be activated means whenever 0 is there, then reset in will be activated. So, here all the buses, in that case all the buses are in high impedance mode, that is also very important point, tri-state or high impedance mode. So, power consumption is less when reset in is equivalent to 0. This is about reset in and reset out in 8085 microprocessor.